One of the U.S. Navy's most potent submarines, USS Connecticut, has recently collided with an unknown object. As per some reports, the collision may have happened less than 43 nautical miles from the Paracels. The submarine will need repair. Jay Stefani, Acting Assistant Secretary of the Navy for Research, Development, and Acquisition, told Congress that unplanned repairs to the damaged attack submarine could disrupt the backlog of planned ship maintenance in the public naval yards. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes what has damaged USS Connecticut. Let's get into the details. This video is sponsored by War Thunder, the most comprehensive military vehicle online game for PC, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One, in which you can go to battle on more than 1,200 playable aircraft, tanks, helicopters, and ships from the 1930s to the 1990s. The game has an amazing attention to detail and focuses on a realistic combat experience, which is why knowing your vehicles and skill really makes a difference. It's easy to get into, and all you need to play is nothing more but your mouse and keyboard or controller. Immerse yourself in cross-platform combat with more than 20 million other military vehicle enthusiasts from all over the world. Download and play War Thunder for free using the link in the description below, and also get a free bonus tank, aircraft, or ship, and 3 days of premium account. USS Connecticut, SSN-22, is a Seawolf-class, nuclear-powered, fast attack submarine operated by the United States Navy. The Seawolf design was intended to combat the threat of advanced Soviet ballistic missile submarines, such as the Soviet Typhoon class, and attack submarines, such as the Akula class, in a deep ocean environment. The class consists of 3 submarines: Seawolf, SSN-21, Connecticut, SSN-22, and Jimmy Carter, SSN-23. USS Connecticut has a submerged displacement of 9,138 tons. It has a maximum speed of 40 miles per hour or 65 kilometers per hour, dived, and a silent speed of 23 miles per hour or 37 kilometers per hour. The submarine has a crew of 116 personnel, including 15 officers. With a diving depth of 610 meters, it was designed with a sub-ice capability with retractable bow planes. The submarine has 8 660mm torpedo tubes and can be armed with a combination of 50 weapons that include Tomahawk land attack missiles, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and Mark 48 guided torpedo. The U.S. Navy said in a statement, USS Connecticut struck an object while submerged on the afternoon of October 2nd while operating in international waters in the Indo-Pacific region. Fortunately, the sailors on the vehicle did not receive any life-threatening injuries. U.S. Navy's release states, "The submarine remains in a safe and stable condition. USS Connecticut's nuclear propulsion plant and spaces were not affected and remain fully operational. The extent of damage to the remainder of the submarine is being assessed. The U.S. Navy has not requested assistance. The incident will be investigated." Reuters states that according to U.S. sources, the accident happened in the South China Sea and that fewer than 15 people got small injuries like bruises and cuts. The first publicly available image of the nuclear attack submarine, which has now moved to the United States Navy's base in Guam, was captured by U.S. private Earth imaging company Planet Labs on October 20th, and first published by American technology and military website The Drive. The image suggests that damage to the USS Connecticut nuclear submarine may have happened in a head-on collision with a pint-sized submerged object in the South China Sea. As per the image, the sonar drome of the Seawolf-class sub's nose had been taken out and would have to be replaced. The fact that the USS Connecticut could stay underwater for so long suggests the damage was not serious. Nothing on the sail or other parts of the hull was cracked, indicating its nuclear reactors remained normal, as stated in the U.S. Navy's initial announcement to allay concerns of a nuclear leak. Viewers may note that submarines keep colliding, and it's a common occurrence. The Soryu, a Japanese submarine, collided with a cargo ship in February 2021. The HMS Ambush, a nuclear attack submarine of the Royal Navy's Astute class, collided with a commercial tanker on the Gibraltar coast in 2016. In 2005, the USS San Francisco crashed with an undersea seamount, which damaged its bow. But the fact remains that the U.S. Navy will need to get to the bottom of this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.